Hello and welcome to the mask tutorial number 3. rcmorigami here, and today I'll teach you how to fold this mask. It's called Don't Forget to Smile. And make sure to check out my Instagram post for the story behind the mask. This one is actually made for mini mask. So let me just show you how it looks. It's so teeny. Anyway, you will have a photo right there. So yeah, you can try it. Let the fun begin. And for this one I will use the crease pattern to show you how to fold it. First we need to emboss and crease every single line. So for that I am using a blind pen, not too sharp because you will tear the paper, and some hard paper behind it to make the emboss not to make the emboss easier and not tear the paper and not ruin the table. So every single line. I think that's it. We can start folding. So first we're gonna do the top part. For that we need to make this line this mountain line like that, and these two belly folds. It's gonna be like this, and bring this one to the left, and you will have something like this, and just push this corner, push it down. And this corner goes right in the top, right on the top, like that. Now open a bit here, and you have this belly fold. You have this belly fold and this one. We need to fold along these two lines. So first it's gonna be like this. Don't push it, just let it rest in there. And we have here a mountain fold, this mountain fold, and it's gonna be like this. Now we need to fold this belly fold, this belly line, and push this one to the middle, and this one goes down like that. Same thing on the other side. We have these two belly folds, like that. Now the mountain fold, and again the belly. Bring it to the middle and push it down, and that's it. Now we have to hide these little flaps, this little triangle here. We need to fold it inside this pocket, just put it like this, not big deal. And same thing on the other side, just bring it behind. And the same thing goes for this point, like that, and the other side. Okay, now we have this line here. We need to make it a mountain fold. The one which aligns with this, and fold it along this little valley fold, like that. It's a small area. Now we need to fold this mountain and bring it on the valley fold, like that, and this one too, to form the eyes. But here we just want to fold along these 2 points, not the whole line, because we have the eyes. And on the eyes we're gonna fold it from behind, from the other side of the paper. So just push it to the middle, just and turn the model over, and you can see the creases. Not sure if you can see on mine, but you should see at yours. And just strengthen the crease pattern line for the eyes. And you should have something like this. Same thing on the other side. Okay, we're gonna leave it like this for now, and move to the nose. Have this mountain fold like that, and this one too. Fold these belly folds also. Like this. And now we have this mountain fold, the whole line. We're gonna fold it one corner at a time, so we're gonna fold it along this valley fold and this one and this mountain too, so it's gonna be something like this. Okay, it's gonna look like this. And move to the other side, the same thing, mountain, mountain, valley, valley. And now we need to make this valley fold too. and also this mountain. So it's gonna be like this. Now we need to crease and shape the mount part. Just fold the mountains on this side and work on the other side, work on the belly, just the middle one. And now we move to this part here. Take this mountain and fold it along this belly, and secure it with a little triangle here, like that. Same thing on the other side. And now bring these two lines together like that. And fold again this one behind. You have these lines here. And now you just take the middle line here, take it like this and keep it. And on the other side, on the front, just fold along these mountains. Something like this. Now we need to make a little curve here. To bring the eyeball a bit closer. The same thing on the other side. You have the crease lines, so there shouldn't be a problem. Now we're gonna move to the cheeks. So this one will be a mountain fold. We have right here, and a belly fold here. Goes like this. And again we need to secure this line with a little triangle or something on the back side. It's like that, and just fold this corner somewhere like that, and this corner too, and put a little curve in there. Same thing on the other side, so this one goes mountain, valley, secure, secure on the other side, and bring this and shape it, and shape a bit this part, and just make a curve around the cheeks and the eyes and the head. Something like this. Now the heart part, just fold this one, this valley, then the next one goes like this, bring this down, and also bring this corner to this line. The same thing on the other side. This belly too, and this one too. And reshape a bit everything. And of course I have the shitty paper again, and I can really shape it, but that's it for now. You also can add a little crease here if you want, something like this to shape a bit the cheeks better. It's not quite necessary. I think that's it. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave it in comment. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to smile. Adios.